everyone, in this video I'll make pink chais for everyone. Afghan tea is very similar to Kashmiri chai Pakistani style, so stay tuned, let's get started. This is the first step. We're going to make a thick clotted cream, and here I'm using 1 cup 35% cooking cream, and we're gonna bring this to a boil, and then as soon as it's boiling we're gonna bring the temperature down. Also, we call it qaimaq or malai. As you can see, the cream is boiling right now. We're gonna bring the temperature lower and let it simmer. So now we're going to move on to the next step, which is boiling the water. Here we're adding about 4 cups of water. Now we're going to add to the water 4 tablespoons of green tea leaves. So now to our tea, we're going to add 1 teaspoon baking soda. And this will help to have that pink color. We're gonna let it boil for about 10 minutes. We're going to add 1 teaspoon cardamom. So we're gonna boil this until it's less watery. And you have to keep in mind that we have to always keep mixing this tea and also keep pouring it like this. So now it's the fun part. Be ready because this part has lots of steps. We're going to drain the water, the tea. Don't worry, I know it looks kind of blackish, but trust me, when we add milk, it's gonna turn to a beautiful pink color that you want to drink that tea all the time. So now we're going to add a bit of cold water in the pot, just a bit, and we're gonna add the tea. And here I'm going to wash the bowl because you see it has a bit of leftover and we don't want that in the tea. And again, we're just going to add a bit of cold water and we're going to repeat the same steps. Again, we're going to keep a bit of it because the leftover is pretty chunky. So we're just going to throw that away. And we're going to rinse the pot. So now we're going to add a bit of more water into the pot. I know, it's lots of steps. That's why I never made this tea myself. I only watched my mom making this tea. And I shouldn't wear white today because it's pretty risky. So we're gonna repeat this process for a couple of times until the chunks are, you don't see the chunks anymore, and we're gonna add the milk. It's gonna be amazing. So as you can see, we are done with all the steps. Now we're going to boil the tea again and we're going to add the milk. So now we're going to add lactose-free milk. Until we have a beautiful pink color. You see, slowly it's changing the color, which is so beautiful. So as you can see, it's pretty foamy, and we're just gonna try to get rid of the foam. That's so much better. Now we're going to transfer the pink tea into a beautiful kettle. So there we go, another amazing recipe for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next one, bye bye.